Today we will listen to the story of a student who got 27 to 97. Let's take a look at the video.
Hello, I am Shornava Ghosh of DAV Public School, Asansol. Today I will share with you my story. When I was in lower grades, my marks in maths were consistently low. Even I scored just 27 in class 8 in mathematics. Then I took admission in Chandon Institute of Education and Chandan sir made me fall in love with math. In class 9, sir made me fall in love with maths, especially geometry. And then I started doing maths all day, especially when the branch of trigonometry came in front of me. Sir elaborated each and every individual trigonometric functions in details. Even Sir showed many short tricks to remember every trigonometric function for all the specific angles. The affection and care Sir gave me was unbounded. Even in science, Sir used to provide me many study materials which were by far better than any reference book. Finally, in class 10 boards, I scored 97 out of 100 in maths and I passed with an overall of 92%. Also, my marks in science went from 52 to 92 in those 2 years. So, this was my result in class 8. You can see here I have scored 27 in mathematics. This is my result in class 10. You can clearly see it is 97 in mathematics. So that was all about my journey. Hope you like it.
The proof that a miracle happened here is from the student's statement. The student's mobile number and address are given in the video's description. You can verify if you want. Hello, students and parents. I am Chalvan sir. Today we will talk to the parents. Like previous year, this year admission for CBSE, ICSE and ISC boards is starting from March 15 to March 28 at Chandan Institute of Education for classes 6 to 12. Admission will be taken in three categories from classes 6 to 10. Category number 1, Science and Maths. Category number 2, Social Science and English. And category number 3, all subjects. Maths, Economics and DST subjects will be provided for students from classes 11 and 12. Our specialty is research study materials, which have been prepared for 7 years, which are available for students from class 6 to 10. These research study materials are divided into two categories. They are category number 1, Science and Social Science, which is for class 6 to 10, and category number 2, English for class 9 and 10. Let's take a look at the study materials they have seen. Up to 95% of the marks have been obtained from these study materials in any school or board examination, which has left other guidebooks behind. You can buy these study materials according to the chapter. Here, 50 marks exams are taken chapter wise of each subject. As a result, students can understand in which chapter they are weak and which chapter they are strong. Study materials and 50 marks test differentiate us from others. We will find our teaching technique in video's description and you can judge from there and send your children to us. We are available offline. If the students demand, we can also conduct online classes. So collect the form without delay and complete the admission before March 25th. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.